So ABS CBN had massive chart movement over the past 2 days. What's happening? What is the chart telling us? If you own ABS, what's the next update for the stock? If you don't have ABS and you have cash, what should you do? Check this video out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin Germo. I make daily videos on the stock market with the heart and the goal to help you win and trade the markets with confidence. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, smash that bell so you get updated every time I come up with new content. Hey guys, so I created content over a week ago talking about ABS CBN, that it was in a downtrend, and aside from it being in a downtrend, it had news that there might be a possibility that they won't be renewed. But as the days progressed, you can see in the chart below that ABS even started to consolidate on its lows, bounce from its support level, but not just that, it did something so different that it broke out from the 20-day moving average, it broke out from the 18 peso resistance level, and it broke out from the January to July 2019 downtrend, and it started to push up. That being said, it broke out of the 18 peso resistance level. What you need to watch out for is this. We have to find out, we have to see if there's legit confirmation that the stock will stay above the 18 peso level, because from a tech perspective, if it does not hold 18 will just confirm itself that it is still a resistance. But if the stock stays above 18, now it has a shot, it has a chance, it has a narrative to continue to push up. So the stock yesterday closed at 18.5 pesos per share. So if it stays above 18, the range that it will move is 18 to 19.4. So as it closed at 18.5, watch out as it tries to go and push to the 19.4 level. If ABS CBN tries to go up to 19.4 and fails to break out from that level, that could also be a take profit signal, and you can trade the 18 to 19.4 range, 18, 19.4, 18 to 19.4, 18 to 19.4. Now, here's what's interesting. If 19.4 gets broken, meaning more buyers come at the 19.4 level, the next target price would be around 21.2, and it will show us that there will be a much larger bullish reversal happening for the stock. You have to remember, what's nice about the style is you don't have to buy when it's low, you don't have to buy at the lowest point, you just have to buy when it's reversing up. By the way, there was a news item that said that the bill to have their franchise renewed is already in Congress, so maybe that news item is what pushed the stock prices higher. But we actually have to see that, number one, it gets approved in Congress. Number two, Duterte does not veto it so that they have their franchise extension. If they have their franchise extension, then suddenly all of the value, you have to remember, ABS CBN is still earning, but its earnings are decreasing. But in spite of that, at where it was prior below 18, it was relatively cheap, and it was at a discount as well. So everything now is predicated on what happens on the bill. If it gets approved, you may see more upward movement in the stock because ABS even gets to operate. If it does not get approved, everything I said on the previous video will be the narrative. So there, I'll keep you updated on everything that's happening, especially for those who own the stock of ABS CBN, or for those who at least want to enter and make trades for the stock as well. Because at the end of the day, what's nice about technical analysis is everything you need to know is found in the charts. So what's your comment on this video? Comment below. Are you buying ABS CBN? Are you still avoiding it? Do you think their franchise will be approved? Put your comments below, put your thoughts below, and I'd like to hear them. I hope this video pushes you to invest, and I hope this video also gives you insight that, hey, you don't need to chase all of the news and speculation for you to make money in the markets, because everything you need to know is found in the charts. So this is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you.